What's up, my Credit Wealth Capital crew? This is Renata with Credit Wealth Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every single Wednesday. Now, today we're going to talk about the best retail cards that will help build your credit. And don't forget to wait to the very end because you know I always have some bonus information for you. So, without further ado, let's get it. Okay, you guys, now for you to actually know how to use a retail card or what is a retail card, I have to let you know exactly what it is. So, a retail card basically is a card that you can use at a certain store or on their website. For instance, like Victoria's Secret, you can only use that card at that store or on their website to be able to use the card. And with these retail cards, they will help you boost your credit score dramatically. Now, if these cards that I'm going to discuss, you have to have a minimum of a 640 credit score, okay? So I'm going to tell you these cards and then I'm going to break it down with the interest rate. And also too, once you have these cards for at least about 6 months, you can actually call them up and see if you can actually negotiate the interest rate that's on these cards. Okay, so the first card that we're going to discuss about is Capital One Walmart Rewards Mastercard. Now this card here, it has a regular APR of 17.99% through 26.99%, but it has zero annual fees. And you can also get a rewards rate anywhere between 1 to 5% cash back. Okay. And again, you have to have the minimum score of a 640. Okay, you guys. Now, the next card that we're going to discuss is Costco Anywhere Visa card. Now, this card here has interest rate of 15.24%. Again, these are no annual fee cards, and the rewards are anywhere between 1 to 4% cash back. Okay. Now, the next card we're going to discuss about is Venue Rewards card. Now, this card has no annual fees. The APR is 19.99%, and it also has no monthly fees. And then the minimum, as you know, you have to have a 640 credit score. Okay, now the next card is Kohl's credit card. This one here has an APR of 25.99% with no annual fees, and you have rewards up to 5%. And then also they give out a bonus reward up to 35%. Okay. Now the next card we're going to talk about is Apple card. Now this card will give you a 0% purchase interest rate between 6 to 24 months. And it has no transfer fees, as well as the regular APR on this card is anywhere between 10.99% through 21.99%. And then you also get a rewards rate of anywhere between 1 to 3% cash back, as well as rewards bonus. Now, another card that I like to use is Best Buy store card. Now, Best Buy has an intro purchase of between 0 through 12.99% for 12 to 24 months. And the regular APR is 25.24%. And you also get a reward rate of 2.5% per every dollar that you spend. And you also get 10% cash back in rewards. Now, another card is Macy's store card. This card has a regular APR of 25.24%. And you get a rewards rate of 2 points per dollar that you spend. And also it has a bonus rewards on here where you spend 20% discount when you use it at the store. Okay. So the next card that we're going to talk about is Sears store card. Sears store card has a 0% for 12 to 18 months with no transfer APR and a regular APR of 25.24%. and it has, again, no annual fees on the card. Another store card that we're going to talk about today is Amazon.com store card. This store card gives you 0% intro for 6 to 12 months, no transfer no transfer fee, as well as the regular APR is 25.99%. And then you also get a rewards anywhere between 0 to 5% cash back, and you also get a bonus reward as a $10 gift card for using this card. And then you have JCPenney credit card. JCPenney has an introduction rate of 0% for 18 to 60 months, which is awesome. That is a very long time to get a 0% interest rate on a card. That is awesome. Good. Too bad it's not a regular credit card. Now, the regular APR on this card is 25.99%, and your reward rate is, you get a 1 point for every dollar that you spend. And if you use this card in the store, you get a 35% discount. That is huge. Now, also, Target also have a store card that's called Target Red Card. Now, this is a great card that you can get, that they offer you a 5% cash back with every purchase, plus a free 2-day shipping for online purchases. And you get an extra 30 days to refund any items. So, I mean, that's a win-win situation when it comes to that. Now, I told you that the credit cards that will actually help you build your credit from a retail perspective. Again, they are Capital One Walmart Rewards, JCPenney credit card, Target Red Card, Amazon.com. Fingerhut Credit is also an account that we did not discuss. They give you have to go and become a member on the account. So I believe it's like $100 to actually, you have to buy something, and then I will actually put it on auto pay, so that way you won't forget to pay that minimum amount each month. So with all these cards, always put it on auto pay so you won't forget. Another card is Lowe's store card. If you go to Lowe's, it's a great opportunity. Shell gas card. If you need gas, Shell is a great card to have when you're building credit with your gas card. I also have a Shell gas card as well. And I have another one. It's called West M credit card. It's, again, a great card to have to help build credit. Now, bonus round. Okay, you guys, now bonus round. We go to transunion.com/compass. This is a great website that you can actually go to that will help you get your credit to that 700 credit score that we're always looking for. Okay, now we're going to scroll down here, and it actually tells you, it's recommended to you to help you build your credit score. And it's 8 out of 10 banks actually use the same product that TransUnion actually use. So why not use it? You have a better advantage of getting approved for whatever that you're looking for. And then this will actually help you get a higher credit score. You actually know exactly where to start, and it will help you create better credit habits that you're looking for. Okay, so we click here where it says get credit score recommendation, and it's actually going to pull up we're waiting, there we go. Okay, we're going to actually have to pull up this form, and we're going to fill it out. There's 3 steps to it. Once you fill out this information, the $24.95 a month that it charges you, because this is not free, you actually get the following. As you can see, all these additional items that you actually get, and it will actually, you can actually lock, as you can see, your TransUnion and Equifax report. So if you want them to only pull from Experian, report, then you can actually freeze the other two and they only pull from that one credit union, okay? So if you don't want to do the TransUnion, you also have one that I told you about is Identity IQ. This one actually costs $29.99 a month, and this one here will do the exact same thing. However, you will actually see all three of your scores from each bureaus, which is TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, and it will give you a detailed report of your credit report each month. So you do have options. Okay, you guys, and there you have it, the top retail cards that will help you boost your credit. Okay, so my name is Renata. This is Credit Wealth Capital. Let's take credit to the next level. Be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward. And I'll see you on the next video.